Isabella Valois, October 1st, 1348, September 11th, 1373. Isabella of Valois was a French princess of the Valois dynasty. She was the youngest daughter of King John II of France and Bonne of Luxembourg. Ferdinand I, Holy Roman Emperor, March 10, 1503, July 25, 1564. Ferdinand I, King of Hungary and Bohemia, from 1526, King of Germany from 1854. January 5, 1531, Holy Roman Emperor from 1556. Margaret of Bavaria, 1363, January 23, 1423. Marguerite of Bavaria was Duchess of Burgundy, wife of John the Fearless. Ludwig Borchardt, October 5, 1863, August 12, 1938. Ludwig Borchardt was a German Egyptologist known as the man who discovered Nefertiti. Eleanor of Austria, November 15, 1498, February 25, 1558. Eleanor of Austria was born Archduchess of Austria, Infanta of Spain, and Princess of Burgundy. Rudolph II, July 18, 1552, January 20th, 1612. Rudolph II, King of Germany, from October 27, 1575 to November 2nd, 1576, elected Holy Roman Emperor on November 2nd, 1576. René French. October 25th, 1510, June 12th, 1575. René of France, Duchess of Chartres and Montargis, married Duchess of Ferrara, the youngest daughter of King Louis XII. Plato, 428/427 or 424/423-348/347 BC, Plato was an Athenian philosopher of the classical period of ancient Greece. Charles III the Fat, June 13th, 839, January 13th, 888. Charles III the Fat, King of Italy, 879 to 887. King of Germany, 882-887. King of France, 884-887. Emperor of the Holy Roman Empire from 881-887. Gilbert Lafayette, September 6, 1757, May 20th, 1834. Gilbert de Lafayette was a French and American political figure. Charles V, February 24th, 1500, September 21st, 1558. Charles V. Habsburg was King of Spain under the name Carlos I from January 23rd, 1516, the greatest statesman of Europe in the first half of the 16th century. Juan of Austria, February 24th, 1547, October 1st, 1578. Don Juan of Austria was a Spanish commander, illegitimate son of Charles the Fintern and Barbara Blomberg, daughter of a Regensburg burgher.